Afternoon, tubers. It's Wednesday, December 6th. Yeah. So, we're going to go on to 39 today. We got back-to-back days of nice temperatures. So, see where it is here. It's a rivet. So, yeah. And one of these had a dent. Yeah, this one. Before I pull it off, I want to put the, see it? I want to put a pair of adjustable wrench on it and pull it. So, yeah. But, give me a minute so I get up. But the other thing is I did bring out the body cam, so while I'm working underneath there, I'll take video of it. So let me get set up, and I'll bring you guys back later. I guess it's recording. We'll find out. So as you can see, I don't know. I've been reading the book on it. So. Let me get gloved up here. And I have an adjustable wrench. And sorry for the shaky cam, but let's see what we can do down here. Yeah, it looks like this one right there. I don't know if you guys are seeing this or not, but I got the camera in there. Okay, that one here. Yeah, that looks good. All right. Now we got to get the rivets out. So, hang on for that. Hey guys, I tried that body camera and that thing went nutso on me. I hit a wrong button. So you can see the rivets I got. So what I'm going to do is take the cutoff wheel and place an X in it, and then take the air hammer, air chisel, and get them. The only one I'm worried about is this one right there. So when I get more, I'll bring you guys back later. Alright, got that one off. Was only able to put a slit down the center of it. We'll try that one there. Yeah. Look at all the shit that came down. Yeah. Later. Ended up drilling the other one because I couldn't get in there. I think I'll drill both of them. It worked faster. Yeah. There it is. So, one more to go. More in a minute. We ended up drilling that one too. Yeah. So that bracket's off. It's over there. Let me clean up this mess. We still got some more time on the car. I want to go over a few things. More in a minute. Make a mental note. The front one is longer than the back one. Huh. Okay. Later, guys. All right, I'm back. That only took about an hour. Yeah, got it cleaned up somewhat. Look, now you can see the spring perch. Yeah. All right, let's start under here. I figured since it's a nice day and I was done early, I'd take some time with you guys. This is the battery bracket for it. This too is going to come off the 12-volt battery is going into the trunk. Again, I'm going to remind everybody that this whole drivetrain, engine, transmission, drive shaft, rear end, is all up for sale, plus a whole bunch of extra parts. And you'd be surprised what I'll be taking for it. So, again, this is not going in the garage. The drivetrain isn't coming out until I get everything to make it into a roller. So that means the front end, the rear end, and yeah. So that's coming out. Play with these rivets again. I will take care of these, and when I clean up the frame, once it comes into the garage, comes in. But the bottom of the doors, this fender is a little hash. You can see the Bondo and everything trying to put into it. This one, look at this. So yeah, there might be somewhere, because these fenders bolt on and off, we might take a look at them and see what we can do. We have to replace the gasket that's in here. I want to do that, or the seal, or whatever they call it. So yeah, there's the rear end. We're going to take the gas tank out. That's probably one of the next things if we get a nice day sitting out here. I'm going to take the gas tank out, and then yeah. So let's hang out for a minute, guys. All in all, this thing's pretty solid, but there are a few areas. I got this welded back up. I took the license plate. It's still got to be worked, and I got a couple of welds I got to do. See a hole right there. So we got to take care of this. I'm going to take care of this front end. We got this to do, this to do. Here's Bondo cracking again. That running board to come off. I think we might, if we get another day, we'll tackle that running board. Okay, care to step inside? All right, there's a lid to the battery box. Probably what I'll do is just to save, I'll just sit there and weld that in place, take the handle off it and just weld it in place. That's the piece I got to replace that license plate, wood, whatever they had in there. Take that out of there. All the black stuff is, as you can see, the headliner is going. I want to try to keep that pedal. This is how it starts. So yeah, you want to see the dash? Okay, hang on. I got the rear seat and it's under the patio cover. There's the dash. It says 64,000 on it, it looks like. But I want to keep that dash too. So once it gets in the garage, this is all take apart and we get it. Start cleaning it. Ow, that hurt. Damn. Ooh. Put your knee on that. So that's the game plan. I did find a window kit for $400, and so I don't know if it included the wing windows or not. I gotta find seals because there are none. So I am not taking the doors off. I'm not doing none of that because these things just, oh, come on, just close so nice. Lock on this side, no lock on the driver's side because they wanted you to enter in there. So that's the 39, guys. Again, I'm doing this very, very on the cheap because I'm fixed income. I haven't got that deep of pockets. So I want to put a small block in it with a 4-speed. It's going to have a front end out of a 53, 54 Chevy pickup. I'm toying with making the whole front end tilt, the fenders and everything. I think that'd be cool. But and then we did find a Ford 9-inch, but I doubt whether it's still there because Christmas came upon us and I wasn't able to go back and get it. So again, the whole drivetrain. rear end, drive shaft, transmission, engine, radiator. I got another transmission for floor shift for it, whole bunch of other stuff, or unless somebody wants to come and buy the car, and we can talk about that. But that's my game plan. Everybody have a good evening. Later.